Very good afternoon to everyone. So hope we enjoyed the yesterday's session. So the second day we are going to start with the topic known as different types of referencing and how to referencing in Word. See, this is the topic what we are going to discuss today. And coming to our speaker, see, he is Mr. Anuj Kumar. See, Mr. Anuj Kumar is currently working as an assistant professor with Bharati Vidyapeeth, deemed to be University, Institute of Management and Research, New Delhi. He is PhD research scholar from Aligarh Muslim University. It is also known as Central University. So in his 5 years of university teaching, he has attained 18 international conferences in management and 12 faculty development programs. He is editor of 2 international books, Lambert Publications. He has uh, he has publications in Scopus Index journals, Web of Science journals, UGC Care Journal, and other UGC approved journals. So this is the brief introduction about our speaker. So now I would like to request Anuj Kumar to take the session forward. Sir, you
Thank you, sir.
can
Thank you.
you can share your screen, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. So, good afternoon to all of you. I, Anuj Kumar, welcome you all in this session. There are participants from different parts of India. So today we will reference how to do referencing in Word. Referencing has been a pain area of many of the research scholars and many of the doctoral candidates who have completed their doctorate but don't know about referencing. I do a lot of research collaboration, and I find many of the researcher don't know about referencing. Okay, referencing you can do it through Mendeley nowadays, Zotero, but Microsoft Word is the basic version. So I will talk about Microsoft Word based referencing. I'm sharing my screen. First of all, let's clear certain basics about referencing. What is referencing and why it is needed? So I'm switching off my video. I hope it will not. It is not mandatory. Now let's start writing your suggestions in the chat box. Why referencing has been required? Why referencing has been required? You can write it in the chat box. I'm reading your chats. Why referencing is important, or why referencing is required? Anyone? I hope I'm audible to all. Okay. Authenticity of looking at previous research. It's important to know the source of TV information. Prabha Kiran, Dr. Prabha Kiran has written. Raghavan sir has written authenticity of looking. Okay. And then Lakshmi has written it adds to the authenticity. Okay. Anyone else? Let's go back to my slide presentation. Let me share what I have to share it with you. My whole screen I'm sharing with you. I hope my screen is visible to you all.
Yes, sir.
Rajshekhar sir. Okay.
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 It's visible. It's visible.
Importance of citing authority. So let's do some basics. As a felicitator, what is my role? To give you the best of the content. So I have researched on the different type of contents available on referencing. So basics we can clear it, and then the basic thing after 30 minutes we will do the practical thing. My purpose is to teach you the referencing thing in Word today in this 1 hour. So let's understand why referencing is required. Part 1. Have you ever cheated in exams? We all are teachers. Many of us are research scholars. So we are future teachers or faculties in eminent colleges. Have you ever cheated in exam? We all have seen this phase in our life during schooling or even in the colleges. People write some matter on the chits and then they copy. So how referencing is connected with it? Have you ever cheated in school or university? Many of the people who are in colleges use such tricks. The theft or stealing of ideas and other forms of intellectual property is not it is a part of academic dishonesty. Academic dishonesty is not allowed, and then academic dishonesty can be like plagiarism, fabrication, or
Sir, Anuj Kumar, sir, are you there? Yeah, hope our speaker is facing some kind of network issues. So he will join soon.
am I audible? Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are now audible.
Yes, sir.
You are now-
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay, sorry, there was some net problem, so I've connected with my phone now. There will be no problem. So again, sharing my screen with all of you. We were on this slide. The theft or stealing of ideas and other forms of intellectual property is called academic dishonesty. Academic dishonesty, when you talk about research, the academic dishonesty can be in the form of plagiarism. It can be in the form of fabrication. It can be in the form of cheating. So adoption or reproduction of original creation of another author without acknowledging that author is plagiarism. And to avoid such things like plagiarism and all types of fabrication, we use referencing. Here is an example of plagiarism. Like original text written, many people who read the word yawn and yawning will feel the urge to yawn. Now, if you have written it like that, many people who read the word yawn or yawning will feel the urge to yawn. Again, it's the same thing. So it's plagiarized. According to Simon 2002, many people who read the word yawn or yawning will feel the urge to yawn. Okay, now you have referred the name, referencing. So referencing comes in picture. If you don't refer the name, it will show like this. Your similarity index will come like this. So how to avoid plagiarism? Don't even think of copying other works. Set in your mind that you need to acknowledge the things. Whenever you are using anything, you need to acknowledge that thing. Otherwise, you will be found in the plagiarism. Citation and referencing can help you. Now let's move to the another PDF. Okay. Is it visible? Different styles? Hello.
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Okay. Okay. Different styles of referencing. What are the different styles of referencing? Objective, what is reference style, why to reference, and types of referencing style. All these styles we will do today practically. I'll teach you in Word. So basically we know about the basics, why we need referencing to avoid plagiarism. Objective, to study different styles of reference used over the world. Basically, we in the research paper use two prominent styles, APA referencing and Harvard referencing. But there are other styles too. To get the appropriate format of reference or presenting, to know the difference between different styles. These all your these questions will be answered in this session. A reference style is a specific format for presenting in text, footnotes or endnotes and bibliography. It is an act of referring. By referring, you are saying, yes, this material you have used the idea of someone else. So you are refraining yourself out of cheating. The action of mentioning or alluding to something, the use of source of information in order to ascertain something, is called referencing. Now, why to reference? Proves that substantial research has been done to support our analysis, enables others to follow up on your work, give credit to other people's work. If you write something, don't you like that your name should be referred? If somebody will copy that, then how you will say that thing are research? Research means searching something again and again. If you will copy paste normally, how it will be called research? No, the meaning of the research will be failed. So that's why giving credit to others. And how you can give that credit? By referencing. Enables others to follow up your work. Similarly, when somebody will use your material, they will follow your work. Avoiding charges of plagiarism, required to support all significant statement. So all such things are required in referencing types. Types of referencing are, here it is, Harvard, American, Vancouver, MLA, Chicago. We will not go for all the styles. Today it is mandatory for us. First, we will know how to do referencing in Word. Okay, and then able to know how to do referencing in Word and able to know how to refer different types of material. Okay, I'll come back to the slide later on. 15 minutes I have passed with you for providing you some types of basic knowledge. These are styles, why referencing has been followed. I will come back to this slide after doing one exercise with you. So I'm opening one Word document. 1 minute. Word document, let me open. Okay. Here is one Word document. Can you all see this Word document? Is it visible?
Yes, we can.
Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Now, my question to all of you, let's make it an interactive session. My question to all of you is that you can answer in the chat box. What are the different types of resources used for literature review? What are the different types of resources used for literature review? Please write in the chat box. Now I am journal articles, okay. Journals, okay. Newspaper article, good. Thesis, books. Thesis, books, journal articles. Slide not visible. Slide I have not shared, Deepika Handa ma'am. Okay, I'm on team right now. Website, thesis, website, magazines. Okay, website. So few inputs are coming from your side. Now you can stop writing. I'm going back to the Word document. Let's start. Here it is. So here is the Word document, and this Word document will answer my question as well. Referencing is very much connected with your literature review. In literature review, they ask you to do what do you say? To refer secondary resources. If I say you to do a literature review on this COVID-19 issues, so how you will do? Journal articles are not available. You will say only website we will use. here in the Word, you can see a tab, references. Is it visible to all? References. Unmute and speak.
Yes, sir.
Okay, references. Now see very, very carefully. I'm clicking this tab, references. What this tab is giving it to me: insert, footnote, endnote, smart lookup, insert, citation. Now I am coming to the citation part. Citation, and then citation. There are styles. The styles which we were discussing in the slide. APA 6th edition. Nowadays 6th edition is working. 5th edition is also there in the outdated Microsoft Word, but the updated one is 6th. APA 6th. Many of the journal articles clearly write, I need APA 6th referencing. Chicago 16th. GB 7714. GOST title sort. Harvard. IEEE. So these are the different MLA, different types of referencing styles. And Harvard is not available in many of the Microsoft Word. So what you need to do on a YouTube, you can see the video and you can install Harvard in your Word. They will teach you step by step how you need to install Harvard in your Word. Automatically or by default, it will not appear in many of the Microsoft Word, which are outdated one. Okay, so these are the referencing styles which are coming in my Microsoft Word. I am choosing Harvard. Okay, so your first step, go to the tab referencing, choose Harvard or any of the style. If you want APA, you can choose APA. It's up to you. Now I'll choose this box, insert citation. I will click this box, insert citation, and then add new source. Add new source, because there is no referencing in this paper. So I'm tabbing add new source. Now if I need to refer some journal now here is the answer of my question. What you can refer in your literature review book section, book section, journal article in a periodical, conference proceeding, report, website, document from website, electronic resource, art, sound recording, performance, film, interview, patent, case. All such things you can refer. These many ranges Microsoft Word are giving you. Now, if I want to refer some book or some journal article, like most of you refer journal article. So start with the journal article. I want to refer some journal article. Okay. So let me go to the Google Scholar. Let me pick some journal article from there. I'm opening the Google Scholar in my computer. And you all are with me, seeing all the procedure. Okay, let me go to the Google Scholar. Google Scholar, and then in the Google Scholar, I'm typing some journal article, robotics. To use robotics can be used by doctors during COVID-19. Actually, I'm writing something on that. So I'm opening the journal related to that only. Okay. So here is the journals are started coming. Industry 4.0 technologies and their application in fighting COVID-19. Now, you yourself can see the reference style. You can also copy the reference style from this Google Scholar thing. Here you can see this tab, cited by 13. Is it visible to all? Cited by 13. Can you please speak? Cited by 13.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So click this tab. Whichsoever article you want to refer, click this tab, cited by 13. Okay. Or cited by 13. No, sorry, you need to click this tab before cited by 13. These cite. Now, if I click this tab, cite, here are the citations are coming. If you want to cite it in MLA, you need to do like this. APA, you need to do like this. Chicago, you need to do like this. Harvard, Vancouver, you need to do like this. So one method is like use all the material whatever you have referred in your bibliography, copy it from here. But how to cite in the text? So that's why we need word referencing. So I want to do Harvard referencing. For Harvard, here is the style Harvard, and here are the names. First, I will copy the title of the research paper, Industry 4.0 Technologies, COVID-19 Pandemic. So I'm copying the title. And now you can ask me from where title you know. It is a title because it's written here, Industry 4.0. So this is the title. And now I'm going back to my Word document. I'm pasting it here, title, paste. So my title started appearing. Journal name, author I will come back later. Journal name is here, Diabetes and Metabolic Syndrome, Clinical Research and Reviews. Copy this and then go back to your referencing, journal name. You can paste it here. Then year, page, volume and issue, and the name of the authors. Year is 2020, volume and issue is not mentioned, so we will leave it blank. So I'm copying the name of the authors, copy, and I'm pasting it in the authors column. Here I'm pasting, paste. So it has started coming, but after one name of the author complete, you need to do a semicolon. So delete comma, semicolon. Second name Javed, comma, first name and then semicolon. Second author. Second name, first name, semicolon. So I'm deleting all the commas after the name, semicolon. Deleting all the commas, semicolon. Semicolon. This you need to do. Year 2020, volume, page and issue are not mentioned because the journal has not been published yet. Paper has been accepted and the pre-print copy is available, but once the journal will publish, volume, issue will come. And the basic difference, if you will see between APA and Harvard, APA don't ask you for volume and issue or for volume or pages. 3 out of these 3 options, APA don't ask the other 2. So I will show it to you in APA referencing, and now I'm clicking the tab OK. So this will start coming, Javed et al. So wherever I want to refer, robotics is useful. And now I will go to the insert citation and I'll click this tab, Javed. Automatically it started coming. Wherever I want to refer this thing in document, it will start coming. Or if I'm writing something manually according to, then I need to write manually. If I'm starting a sentence, Javed et al. 2020. If you want to write in the starting, then you need to write manually. Okay. So here it is. You can see it. I have referred it 2 times. So this is the way in text referencing has been done. Now, manage resources. Manage resources. You can see in the manage resources column, a tick is coming. Cited source. Tick means you have used this document. You have used this journal in your document. After referring like 20 articles, maybe you haven't used the 2 or 3 in the documents. So this is a cross check. If you see all the ticks are coming, I'll add other resources as well. Then you will be able to recognize. If you'll see all the ticks are coming, that means this resource have been used in text. Okay, so a tick is coming, it means it has been used in text. Close it. And if I tap this bibliography, and I tab references, look, the reference in the style of Harvard is automatically started coming. So this is the way we refer. If I want to change the style, you can see how it has been. If I want to change the style in Harvard, in APA, just select it, change it here, APA. So it will change to APA. So whatever style I want to change to Chicago, it will change to Chicago. I want to change to Harvard, Harvard. Okay. So one referencing I have done, and I'll do for others as well. If I see manage resource now, tick is not coming because your resource is not been cited because I've deleted everything. Again, I'll use insert citation. So it is in text. Now I will I will refer some website. Website is a pain area for many. Like I'm using this news article. Here is the news article. AI in the times of corona, robots can reduce human contact transmission of COVID-19. Now, can you see any reporter name in this news? The news is of Economic Times. You need to refer this report. But is there any reporter name anywhere it is available? If the reporter name is available, then it will be cited differently. But reporter name is not coming. First, you need to check, is the reporter name coming? Reporter name is not coming, then copy the title. Copy the title, go into the word, and in the word type insert citation, add new source. You are not referring journal article, select website. Website you are referring, name of the web page, the title, and then year, which year it is been published. Just check. The title is of 2020. Can you see? Updated 9th May 2020. So 9th May 2020 is the date of publication. So if I write here 2020, accessed. Access means when you are started using that article, on which date you are using. 2020, month June, day 30, URL. Here you need to paste the URL. What we do in referencing, I have seen most of the researchers, they just reference, they just copy paste the URL in the document. It means referencing has been done. No, it's a wrong thing. URL cannot replace the referencing. Here you will paste URL. And then author. There is no author available. If the name of the author was there, if the reporter was there, then you would have put the name. First, second name, comma, first name. Similar manner. Since there is no reporter name is available, you will click corporate author, and here you will type the Economic Times. The Economic Times. And then you will type OK. Look, the referencing start coming, the Economic Times. Now, if I see, go to the manage resources, both the option are coming tick. It means I have used them in my text. Both of them have been referred. If I delete one of them, like if I delete Javed, then go to the manage resources, only used one. Javed has not been used. So it's dangerous situation. So you go to the insert citation, put Javed. Okay, now both have been used. Now, if I go to the bibliography option, which we click in the last and type and click references, look, two references started coming. One is in the website form, another one is in the journal. So these are the two types of referencing which has been done. Now, if somebody want to refer third type of resource, any book you want to refer, or can we see one of the website more with the name of the reporter? Let me check if is there any news with the name of the reporter. Here it is the article. You can see the name of the reporter, Rashmi Mabian. So this will be, I'm copying the title, copy, and then after copying the title, I will tap insert citation, add new source, website, name of the web page I have copied. Now name of the author. What is the name of the author? Rashmi Mabian. I will copy it, Rashmi Mabian, and then paste it here, Rashmi Mabian. But it will not be like this. If a single author is there, then the Word can do it for you. automatically it can take the second name. But if there are multiple authors, it will not take, and you will commit error. So here, always develop this habit: cut, comma, second name first, comma, first name. This is the right type of referencing for author. Year 2020. The news has been published in 2020. Year accessed. On which year you are accessing it? Today we are accessing it 2020, and in the month of June on 30th. And here you need to paste URL. Again, go to the news. This is the URL. What I have seen in most of the referencing, they just paste the referencing and they say, oh, referencing has been done. We have referred. Come on, that is not referencing. And then type OK. Now you can see the 3 references. Okay. If I click on the option bibliography references, 3 options started coming here: Economic Times, Mabian. So in this manner, you can refer the websites and all. Now, if I change it to like Harvard to APA, and in the APA, if you want to refer any website, insert citation, add new source. Website, what are the options coming? Year, month, day, URL. Means year, month, day, not for accessing, year, month, day for publication. Okay, in this there are no 2 years are coming, when it is published and when it is accessed. They are only asking APA year, month, day of publication. If it is not written accessed, means you need to write for publication. If I want to refer that same news, what will be the year, month and date? Year is 2018. May 23 is the date. The month is May and 23. So you will write accordingly. Here, year is 2018. Month is May. And the day is 18. And then you will fill all other particulars. Once the particulars will be filled, you will type OK. I'm cancelling it because we have already referred it. And how the journals have been done in APA? Insert citation, add new source. What is the difference in the journals? Journal article. You can see title of the paper, journal name, year and pages. No volume and no issue. APA doesn't ask you volume and issue. So I always recommend my fellow colleagues to use Harvard. If like Harvard, you are giving all the details. If later on they want to change, you can change to APA. But from APA to Harvard, you need to add 2 more details: volume and issue, because volume and issue has not been asked in the APA referencing. So this is the difference between APA and Harvard for your this thing, journal article. I'm again choosing this thing to Harvard. Now I'm citing some book, add new source, and I'm citing a book. Here I'm choosing book, and I need to open a book. 1 minute. In the Google Scholar, I can type books on robotics in healthcare. So robotics for healthcare is the first book started coming. If I book robotics for healthcare, mobile robotics in healthcare, I go to this site. Here are the names. Name of the publisher is not there, but name of the book is available. If I want to cite this one, again, I'll click this. Here is the press name, book name, publisher, iOS Press. If I want to refer this book, I'll type first the book name. What is the book name? Is Mobile Robotics in the Healthcare. So I will copy it, Mobile Robotics in the Healthcare. And then I will paste it in the title. Paste. Year of publication of the book. What is the year? Year is 2001. 2001. Name of the author, city, publisher. Who is the publisher? Publisher is iOS Press. Can you see? iOS Press is the publisher. iOS Press. So I will paste iOS Press. author name, edition. Few of the information are not available. Author or edition is like it's not given here. Author name is given. I'll paste it. This is the author name. City, sometimes they give, sometimes they don't give. I don't know whether it's given. No, here in this reference, in this source, city name is not given. So I'll click OK. So now you can see the book referencing started coming. Now if I tab the bibliography and then referencing, 4 references started coming. Here are the 4 references. Journal, book, as per alphabetical order, they'll start coming. So in this manner, I hope you all are clear with the thing, how to do referencing a bit in the Word. Okay, you can write in the chat box. Most of the journal needs in-text reference citation. Yes, that's why I have told you in text. Preeti, is it clear to you? Yes, it is clear. Yes, sir, it is clear. Now you all need to do one exercise. Without exercise, there is no purpose of my session. You will refer one journal, one website with author, one website with corporate author, in which the name of the whatever exercises I have done, 4 sources I have cited. You will also do the same in your computer right now. It's 1540, 340, and I will check your referencing. You will share your screen. I'll give you the permission. You will share your screen, and then we will see. Cite any 4 resources: 1 journal article, 1 news, 2 news, and 1 book. Then I will also tell you about book section. Okay, go ahead. You have 10 minutes to do. Everyone start doing the exercise. Why this FDP is different? Because we are taking hands-on practice. If I will complete my FDP, my session, without asking you, without seeing you, there is no use of my session. Even if you learned 1 citation, you should have learned on your own by practicing. I can complete many more things in this 1 hour. If you are using phone for attending session, you can avoid it. But I guess out of the total number of participants, few of them are using Word. At least start practicing. Those who are using phone, if they can access to their laptop right now, do it and can switch it to your laptop. Basically, you have given your money and time. You are my customers, and we all teach CRM. So you have never been in any restaurant. You have given. Have you given in any restaurant 500 rupees and say we will not take the food? Or to any cloth owner, you have given 1000 rupees. We will not take any cloth. Similarly, here you have put your time and fees, and if you will not take the delivery, who will be responsible? I am very happy if I'll complete my 1 hour without taking much of pain. So do it, everyone, in the 10 minutes.
Sir, I need some guidance.
Yes, ma'am. What's your name?
I'm Dr. Deepika Handa.
Dr. Deepika.
Yeah.
Haan ji, ma'am. Yes, tell
So
me.
Google, I have opened Google Scholar. I have never used it actually, so I'm not aware about this much. So Google Scholar, I have opened it now.
In the Google Scholar, type any of the topic which you like. There are articles will start coming.
Okay.
Management, leadership, whatever you want to type, you can type, and a lot of the articles will start coming. In the Google Scholar, you can type anything, whatever management or whatever thing come to your mind. The journal articles will start coming, and then you can click that sign which I have shown it to you in the Google Scholar.
So I have got this. Now I have to copy this on the Word. I've got
Yeah,
number of-
like I have shown it to you. Open
So I have
your
to
Word,
open
go
Word. Okay.
Word, go to the referencing, and everything Word is asking you what you need to do. Fill in the blanks. Word is asking you journal title, copy paste the journal title. Word is asking you journal name, copy paste the journal name. Word is asking you author, copy paste the author. Once you complete everything or anything will remain, it's not available, leave it, then type OK, click OK, and then it will come in text.
Okay.
So in
I'll
this
do
manner
that.
you need to do.
So I think I
Okay.
should start first opening Word, right?
Yeah, first open your word and reference column and then
Okay.
open something.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, Arvinder Singh, sir, if you are using phone, it's up to you. Practice it whenever your laptop will be fine. I'm waiting till 3:50 for all of you. Then I will teach you 2-3 more referencing of the different resources, and then I'll go back to another topic in the last 10 minutes. Believe me, no FDP you will get such type of atmosphere where the resource person is waiting for you to do the exercise.
Sir, I have opened the references in Word, and then there is like insert citation, manage sources,
Yes,
cite
insert
this.
citation.
So
Insert citation.
yeah, I have opened it, and so it's telling me that credit a source of information by citing the book. So what next?
No, insert citation, and then I have shown you the procedure. Haven't you seen it? Like I have shown you step by step. If I go into referencing, it will ask insert citation. In the insert citation, add new source, and then it will come create source, create your source. Here you will choose journal article if you are referring journal, and then fill all the information.
Okay, I'll try.
Uh, Hello, sir. I have a question.
Hello. Yes, ma'am.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Sir, I have a question, sir. What should be the
If
difference between the
1 minute, ma'am.
title?
Aparna, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Aparna, ma'am. If Harvard is not shown as I told you initially, in many words, Harvard is not available. Choose ATA. Go ahead, ma'am. Preeti, ma'am.
Sir, so my question is, in journal article, when I'm
Yes.
filling the details, it's showing title and journal name. Title, I have mentioned the exact topic of that particular journal, but
Yes,
I
the
am
journal name.
unable to see the journal name on
Here it
the
is.
website.
1 minute. 1 minute. If you are on Google Scholar,
Yes.
journal name is already there in the tab which I've like. Here is the type of the journal articles. Okay. One more information I'm giving it to you. If it is written PDF in Google Scholar, you can open this whole document. If PDF is not written, you cannot open the whole document. So it doesn't matter for your referencing thing. In the referencing, this tab you can see cite. Make it this inverted comma, cite,
Yes,
click
yes.
it. After
Correct. I'm
clicking
on
it,
that.
ma'am, after clicking it, the ma'am, whatever is written in the italic is your journal name. Whatever is written straight is the title in inverted comma.
Oh,
So this is your journal name, Advanced Intelligent System. Okay,
okay. All right. Got it. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
go ahead. Go ahead. You know that's when we start using these problems we will face. I will complete my session and then you will say we know everything and you will not able to do referencing. Purpose of session will be failed.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
sir, should I copy the name of authors as it is
Yeah,
given in the site?
but just take care that first you need the second name. Like here, if I go in Scholar, if I go in citation, they give it like same manner. You can copy it. Second name is first name is second. So you can copy it, but this
Sir, there
comma,
are 4 names.
yeah, you can copy it, but this comma you need to delete. After one author, you need to put semicolon. Okay, and
But-
then again, one name is complete. You need to use semicolon.
Sir, the name of the authors are in short form in this site box in the Google Scholar.
Yes.
Should I open the PDF and copy the full name?
No. You can just copy it from here on the site only. It doesn't matter. Basically, first name they use in the short form.
And the
Okay.
sequence
So
should be
whatever, your second name should be full. Okay. Second name should be full. First name can be short form, but do use semicolon after the one name will complete. Otherwise, the referencing tool will count the whole 4 names as one name. Okay, and the problem will appear.
Okay, sir.
When the one name will complete, delete the comma and put the semicolon.
Okay, sir.
Okay, go ahead. Okay, Preeti, you have done the referencing for journal and book. Okay, Preeti, can you show me your document?
Sure, sir.
Okay,
Let me
Mr. Rajshekhar, can you
see.
give permission to Preeti to present his document?
Just a wait. I'm giving.
Preeti, Miss Preeti.
Preeti madam, you
Preeti,
can
are you able to? You
Yes,
can
yes,
share your
yes.
file.
Can you see this?
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes.
this one.
Share your entire
Huh.
screen. Yes. 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 Click it. Click the screen and then share.
Is it visible?
Yes, madam. Yes, madam.
I'm not able to see your document. It's stopped there on the screen.
Let me try it once again.
Show entire
sir,
screen and then entire screen. Select this screen tab and then share.
Sir, I've done that. So for me, it's saying it's already being shared.
Okay, then leave it. Cancel it. There will be some error. We have less time. Anyways, if you have done it, you can paste the copy or the picture in the chat box. Okay. Now
Sure,
stop
I'll do
sharing
that.
your screen.
Sure.
Mr. Rajshekhar, can you take the rights from Ms. Preeti so that I can share?
Yeah, sure. Yes, sir. You can share your screen now.
Okay. So again, I'm going back to my Word document and sharing my screen with you all. So if I need to refer some chapter of book on robotics, the different chapters are available, handbooks, different chapters. If I go on the book, this is citation, this is a cite tab. Can you see in the screen? Yes, is it visible?
No, no, not able to see your screen. Not able to see, sir.
Okay,
Yeah. Yeah, it's
1
okay.
minute. I'm sharing it. I'm sharing again then. Okay, let me do it again. I hope now you can see my screen. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, it is
So
visible.
if I need to refer some chapter of the book, I have put above in the Google Scholar chapter of book. And if I go to the robotics for education, if I click on this tab site, you can see here are the names of the authors. Here's the title of the chapter. Robotics for education is the name of the book in Springer Handbook of Robotics. So in this manner, if I want to refer it, I'll open my document and I'll book section. Chapter is always a book section. The title means the title of that chapter, and the title is Robotics for Education. Robotics for Education. I will copy it and then paste it here. And then book title. What is the title of the book? I'll go there. Springer Handbook for Robotics. Springer Handbook for Robotics. I'll paste it in my Word here. Book title. Springer Handbook for Robotics. Author. If the author name is available, then author. Corporate author. If the author name in personal is not available. If you see something like Amazon, no author is coming. Type corporate author and then put Amazon. But here the author name is visible. Miller David. So they have taken two authors. I'll copy it and then I'll do the editing. I'll paste it here. Miller David. And then semicolon. And here again the author's name. Year is 2016. Springer is the publication, and here are the page number 21152 to 2134. So put the same 21152, 21152, 2134. Year. What was the year? I forgot. Year was 2016. Springer. 16, and the publisher was Springer. Now sometimes editor is for whole book. If you see, there are books in which editor name is on the front and the chapters have been written by different authors. So in case if the editor is different, if the editor of this book would have been me, Kumar Anuj, in this book there are chapter by Miller David, and the city, what is the city name? It's here, CHAM, Sham. So it can be a city. And then it is completed. Okay. So here it is. The citation is started coming. If I tap the bibliography, references, you will see the chapter, how it has been referred. Miller, DP and Ella N, the name of the authors, 2016, name of the chapter in A. Kumar edition, Springer Handbook of Robotics. A. Kumar, editor. ED is written. The book of this editor in which the chapter is this, and this is the city, and this is the publisher, and these are the page numbers. So in this manner, we refer book chapter. So today I have taught you book chapter, journal article, and website. Mostly you will use these things. And then you can practice the other resources as well. Your electronic media, whatever the resource you want to pick. Insert citation, add new source. If you want to put anything, article in periodical, you have to fill all the details. It is automatically teaching you referencing. Whatever have been asked, just fill it. Conference proceeding, fill it. Author, title, paper, year, publisher. Report, if you want to refer some report, KPMG or something like that, then refer it. So in this manner, you can do the referencing through Word. Before calling off my session, I want to share one more thing with you. One important information. Like this tab, I have saved it for you because I have less time Many times we are confused between referencing and bibliography. Meaning, what is referencing and what is bibliography? Reference implies the list of sources that has been referred in the research work. Bibliography is about listing out all the material, whether it is in text or not. It should be there in the bibliography. Referencing is the only material which is there in your text. That is referencing. So primary resources are referencing, bibliography, both primary, secondary. Alphabetically or numerically you arrange reference, bibliography numerically you arrange. Includes only in-text citation. You can in in-text, whatever is in in-text, it should be at the last. It is considered as reference. And bibliography, both in-text and the other resources. Even if the resource you haven't referred in your in-text, you can put it in last, then it is considered as bibliography. Journal paper and research work, we do use the heading bibliography. And for thesis and dissertation, we use the heading reference. So keep this thing in mind. Now, before closing my session, if anyone wants to ask anything, you can quickly ask. Let me see the referencing of Preeti. Preeti, you have done good. How to refer the quotes of the author? Similar ways, whatever. First, you need to pick the option in which you want to put, and then you need to fill the details. How to do referencing in literature review. And in the same way, in referencing the literature review, as you are doing your literature review, after each and every statement, wherever you are using journal article, start doing in the Word on the spot, so that all the referencing will keep noting in your reference list. I have shown you the list, master list. There everything will be noticed, and the tick will come. As I have shown you, a tick will come, and then you can go ahead with it. Okay, so in this manner, is thesis we do referencing. In thesis, we normally do referencing, ma'am. Bibliography, as I read it out in the link, it is for research paper and journals. Anyone else want to ask anything?
Sir, how can we add Harvard style in this references list?
I was using Harvard only, ma'am. You need to pick it up. That is the basic thing. Here it is. Insert citation.
It's not showing in my desktop.
Okay, for that thing you need to go for YouTube. There is a separate overall the whole video, and they will tell you step by step manner. Actually, it depends on some setting and all in your C drive. You need to put some link, and then it will start coming your Harvard referencing style. You just put on the YouTube how to add Harvard in my Word. It will show you step by step guide.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Anything else you want to ask? I guess this is done. It's yes, Harvard Angelia that we are using. That's all from my side. It's 4 p.m. Mr. Rajshekhar.
Sir,
can you take the charge?
Yeah, sir. Thank you, Anuj Kumar. It was a nice session. See, earlier we used to type references by seeing volumes under. But from this session, we are able to know how to insert references by using our Google search. So thanks a lot, sir. It will be helpful for publishing articles very nicely. So thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.